Based on what I've seen, within EB-1A specifically, are common mistakes, and I wanted to address these and kind of explain what to look for so you don't make these mistakes. So the consequences of making mistakes, some of them are listed here. Of course, there's more. It would result in getting a request for evidence, or if you've really not filed it properly, they could just reject your application outright. There would be processing delays, of course, missed opportunities and not getting, your green card sooner rather than later, stress and frustration, and, of course, financial loss. So the consequences are grave in making, missteps with this application. First mistake I see frequently when I meet with clients or, review applications, is failing to understand the EB-1A visa requirements. I mean, there's not a lot of information in the requirements, and the Immigration Service doesn't provide a lot of information about what these requirements really mean. So it's just the reason I know is just doing it over and over and over. I know exactly now, what they're looking for in each of the criteria. So unless you're in the arts, there are 8 criteria, and you must meet 3 out of those 8. And what many people don't realize is several of these criteria actually have 2 or more elements to them in one criteria. So for example, membership. It's not just showing that you are a member of an organization. It doesn't stop there. So that criteria, for example, requires membership in a distinguished organization. And the membership, of course, has to be exclusive, not just paid membership. But what I often see is that individuals or applicants are able maybe to show that they have a membership, but they're forgetting that you have to also show that the membership organization is distinguished. Same with the leading or critical role. That's actually 3 separate elements. And again, I just see over and over how kind of everything gets smushed together, and it's not laid out clearly in the application that you're meeting each of these. So critical role is different than leading role. And then again, finally, you have to show that the company or organization that you're with is distinguished. So that's just a short overview of the one mistake I see.